Have you ever found yourself juggling between spreadsheet, contact lists, and messy notes just to keep track of who's where? It doesn't have to be that complicated. With MAPOG, you can add contact details and customer notes directly on a live map, turning every location point into a live interactive data hub. Let's get started. Start by going to story.mapog.com. Create a new map. Go to Process Custom Locations and select Add by uploading CSV Excel. Click on Select Custom Location Template and add location type title. Add color and select your feature type as point. Click on Add Attributes to add important fields such as address, email, phone number, business hours, customer notes, and much more. Select the attribute type as needed. Now select your file from your device and upload. Now match the attributes with the map fields. Also, make sure to match the latitude and longitude so that the location can be accurately displayed on the map. Now, these points can also be edited using the Edit Point Details option. In addition to the defined parameters, photos of the site shop can also be uploaded. Go to Map Overview, right-click on the customer list, and click on Add Layer Style to customize the icons. Select a suitable icon from the window. Your map is now ready to be your planner and your story. With MAPOG, mapping isn't about navigation, it's about connection. It's teamwork made simple. Share maps, update notes live, and keep everyone all in one place. For help, reach out at support@mapog.com today.